Hello world, Caleb here. And didn't make any progress on the 3D game yesterday. As I said, I was going to work on the 2D game, where I was kind of looking through some old code I wrote back in 2018, but also saw some code I wrote early November of 2023, when I was starting to think, oh, okay, I'm going to get back into game development. And I was building out some game menus and then putting in a SpriteKit view and kind of integrating things with SwiftUI. But at that point, my son, I think my daughter, both my kids were like, hey, no one likes 2D games, make 3D. So then I got distracted with 3D, which I'm enjoying 3D, but I'm taking a quick break and messing around with 2D again. But things were going pretty good. But I was starting to have some issues with the visual, like scene editor that SpriteKit has, seemed to have issues with tile maps. And then I was noodling around with some programmatic approaches, but wasn't liking it. And I think I came up with an idea that'll solve the problems I've been running into, but haven't had time to implement them yet. So today I'm going to be working specifically with tile maps and trying to get some levels working. And if that works, then I should have like a main menu, a level select menu, and levels that I could then start designing. So that will take care of a lot of my problems and get me ready to start working on art and sound and just trying to come up with playable levels. So I think things are going pretty good based on what I accomplished today and what I figured out. I'll see how much more I push for 2D games for my first game release at the end of this month, or if I need to switch back and start really focusing and just getting my 3D first-person game functioning. So stay tuned. And I've noticed a few of you in the comments have mentioned you're working on games as well. I think one mentioned Unreal Engine. Let me know in the comments. Are you using Unreal, Godot, if I said that right, Unity, whatever, and why? So I use SceneKit and SpriteKit because I'm an iOS developer. I like Xcode. I love the Swift programming language. I tend to like Apple products, so kind of in the Apple ecosystem kind of thing. Yeah, that's my reasoning. Eventually, I think it'd be interesting to dive in and probably build my own game engine, but I think that's years down the road. At this point, just trying to figure out 3D right now is a bunch of fun, and I think SceneKit has a lot of potential. So yeah, it'd be interesting to hear what everyone uses and why. But let me know, and thanks for all the support. I've been getting a lot of comments on my first video, kind of blew up yesterday, or at least for me, and got a lot of people saying, oh, good luck. So thank you. Hopefully I'll have something more interesting to show all of you in the next few days. But that's the update, and see how we get along with tile maps. Have fun.